Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless drill drivers of 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just looking for a reliable tool to keep around the house, this list has something for every budget and every project. We've researched performance, battery life, durability, price, and user feedback to bring you the absolute best options available this year. So stick around. You might just find your next favorite tool. And as always, all product links are listed for you right down in the description, so feel free to check them out anytime. Now, let's jump right into it. 5-volt Craftsman V20 power through any project with this half-inch cordless drill driver, engineered with a high-performance motor delivering 280 unit watts out. Perfect for tackling a wide variety of applications with confidence. Its 2-speed gearbox, 0 to 350, 0 to 1,500 RPM, gives you precise control for both drilling and fastening tasks, while the half-inch keyless chuck lets you swap bits quickly and effortlessly. Work comfortably in dim spaces thanks to the built-in LED work light, and stay productive with the included 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, designed with high-performance cells for longer runtime and stronger performance. The 20-volt max charger gets you back to work fast with a 60-minute or less charge time. And the drill is VersaTrack hang hook compatible for easy storage. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this drill driver delivers durability, power, and reliability you can count on. 4. DEWALT Cordless Drill Set. Upgrade your toolbox with the DEWALT high-performance cordless power drill set, engineered with a superior motor that delivers 180 in-lbs, 19 Nm of max torque, perfect for drilling wood, metal, plastics, and tackling any screw-driving task around the home. With its 21+1 position clutch and 0 to 650 RPM speed range, you get precise control to prevent stripped screws or overdriving. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this compact, lightweight drill features an ergonomic rubber grip, built-in LED light, and electric brake for accurate work even in tight or dark spaces. Your complete package includes a full set of drill bits, screwdriver bits, a magnetic flexible shaft, an extension bar, charger, and more. Everything you need for DIY success. And if you ever have questions or quality concerns, our responsive customer service team is always here to help. Get the power, control, and confidence you deserve in every project. 3. Pulley 2.0 20-volt power up every project with this versatile 20-volt cordless drill kit, engineered for everyone from weekend DIYers to seasoned pros. Its powerful 20-volt motor, paired with 2 long-lasting 1.5-amp-hour Li-ion batteries, ensures smooth, consistent performance, so you're always ready for the next task. Tackle any job with confidence using its dual variable speed settings, 0 to 400, 0 to 1500 RPM. Perfect for both delicate precision work and heavy-duty drilling. With 266 in-lbs, 30 nanometers of robust torque, and 21+1 clutch settings, you'll enjoy complete control that protects your materials and prevents over-tightening. This all-in-one kit includes 34 essential accessories, from wood and twist bits to screwdriver sets and extension tools, giving you everything you need in one box. Plus, the built-in LED work light ensures accurate drilling even in dark or tight spaces. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, this drill is your go-to tool for every project. 2. CommoWare TGDrill-20V-One Battery. Upgrade your DIY game with this powerful 20-volt cordless drill, built for anyone who wants pro-level performance without the hassle. With 2 variable speeds, 0 to 350 and 0 to 1300 RPM, you get all the torque you need for tough jobs and the precision required for delicate tasks. Low speed for driving screws, high speed for drilling clean, accurate holes. The 25+1 position clutch and 266 in-lbs max torque give you total control, preventing stripped screws or over-drilling. A 1500 mAh battery with a 60-minute fast charger keeps you working non-stop, while the 3/8-inch keyless metal chuck, LED work light, and smooth forward-reverse switch make every job easier, even in tight or dark spaces. Plus, the kit includes 23 essential accessories and a compact storage case, perfect for home improvement, repairs, and DIY projects. This is the drill that delivers power, precision, and convenience all in one. 1 DEWALT DC771C2. Experience power, performance, and reliability with the DEWALT 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, DCD771C2, the perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This lightweight yet durable drill delivers impressive torque and speed for drilling and fastening jobs of any size. With 2 long-lasting 20-volt lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger included, you can work continuously without interruption. Its ergonomic design, built-in LED light, and compact frame make it ideal for tight spaces and extended use. If you're looking for a drill that combines strength, convenience, and exceptional value, this DEWALT kit is a must-have for your toolkit. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best cordless drill drivers for 2025. I hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect tool for your next project, whether you're tackling home repairs, woodworking, or professional construction work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more product guides, reviews, and buying tips just like this. You can check out all the products featured in this video down in the description below. I've included the links so you can easily compare prices and get the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.